Hey, good morning, everybody. Um, Damn, I've sleep for like maybe 12 hour, maybe I don't know. So that was a good night. All right. I don't have transition. I need maybe to have those transition eventually, but yeah. Hey, good morning, everybody. I hope everybody's doing well. I hope you guys have some. I'm not trading, by the way, today, so maybe I'm gonna change the title because it's 4th of July, right? So I don't want to trade anything, but I've seen a couple set up, but I just don't want to trade those. And I just want to talk a little bit about my new tool that I'm using like in the last couple of days, and it's kind of crazy, honestly. I'm surprised by that. It's very simple. They use like, so this tool using like the last candle you want, right? And that plot a box like that on the high and the low of the last hour example, right? So I've seen this setup like right before starting the stream, and I want to show you guys real quick what I've seen. So as you can see here, right? This 1 hour, right? So this is a 1 hour. So this is, look, I can show you. The box start at 5 a.m. close to 6 a.m., right? So this is kind of a, so that was just 1 hour, right? So what happened next, right? The price was inside this range, right? Was internal liquidity, right? So was targeting all those high. You see this eye, this eye, this eye, all those eye got taken out basically. And I was looking at external liquidity for me, right? I was looking at this zone exactly and this zone exactly, right? And I was like, maybe if the price can go grab some buy up above this eye, they can reverse, and looks what's happened. So this is the first stop on basically, right? And then as you can see, look. So you see they trigger like all the buy stuff above those high, right? This is an equal high, right? And this is external liquidity. That mean like all above those high for all those time. Look, if you check all this time here, it's almost 2 hours, right? So for 2 hours, there's a lot of people that bought and sell in this huge area, right? So if the price can go above this high, anticipate like a reversal. Just very simple. And look what we target next. So all those buyers from this hour got stopped out, basically. So look, if those buyers like went long here, blah blah blah, they take their, if they have like a huge expectation or whatever, so they just get stopped out. So that was the setup. And look, if you see like, I hope the music's not too loud as well, but look, we target all those low here, right? And that's crazy. Look, as soon as the external liquidity got taken out, boom, the algo like deliver price to downside. You see that? And basically, when you skip to the next hour after, like you get another kind of setup. You see like external got taken out, and we know here. But you can use like 4 hour as well. 4 hours is nice as well. Look, this is the 4 hour. As you can see, the 4 hour got into a premium discount, right? And you see the price when reach premium price, boom, reverse. That was the previous high here. So just want to talk about some stuff like that for today, right? I think there's no really like a trade setup to take actually, so. I mean, anticipate the reversal if an external liquidity is taken out from a specific range, you know. That's what I'm looking for all the time. And if I use like example previous day, right? I can use previous day as well, look. And I'll go just 15 minutes to get something more clear, right? Remove the noise. But, you know, today there's no volume, right? There's not volume, but there's no like volatilities at all. Nothing to do here. But so as you can see, the price is still inside the previous daily range, you know. Technically right now we are in discount, so you know, like they take this low here, right? Price reverse a little. Now we're looking for taking those low again. So I hope you guys don't trade really today, to be honest, because you know, it's not the best, right? Can remove that. I highly recommend the silver bullet setup, to be honest. We can try the silver bullet right now if you want. I can backtest that. But you know, so example, we go maybe not today, but I mean we can try it, but you know, it's not a good day for trading, right? So our first silver bullet's at 3 AM, right? So if I use my box for 1 hour, right? Is it, what time is it right now on this thing? Okay, so this is the new H1, right? This is technically the, so we technically, okay, so we have a high of the day here, right? Okay. So let's see if we can get an imbalance, right? Okay, so we took those low here, right? Those lows got taken out, so the silver bullet sniper, damn, okay, cool. Okay, so look, this imbalance, I mean, this candle's not closed yet, but we'll see, right? Okay. So we technically activate some buyer above this eye, right? Okay, so this is a eye formation here, right, as well. So I see something here, right? Price almost reach. I mean, yeah, almost reach. Take this low here. Oh, it's recent seller, right? But it's not the best day for that, right? Just make sure, right? Like the name G? Yes, I mean, you know, nice name. Okay, so now price come back into our fair value, yeah, right? So I would like maybe to take a short and put my stop above the daily high. Retarget maybe 50%, because, you know, what time is it? 3:15. So all right, so I want to see this 15-minute close, right? So let's go on the 15-minute. So this 15-minute convinced me that this trade's gonna win, right? But let's see. So let's go back on the 1 minute. I want to see this in detail, right? So I'm actually in the trade, right? Let's see if I can get, okay, so we break this eye here, right? So we kind of activate more buyer. Let's see if we can deliver downside. All right, so we just delivered downside, those new buyer above this small eye. Let's see if we can go lower. Okay, so now I have those low in target right now. I want to see those equal low to be taken out. That's my goal actually, and I'm gonna reduce my stop a little bit above this high just in case, you know. All right, so cool, not bad, not bad. Okay, so I wanna keep going, right? This is replay button, I know, but you know that's the real thing that I'm showing you, right? Base of the previous H1, right? Because look, the previous H1 order flow was bullish, right? Makes sense. Right? This is the last 1 hour, like from the beginning, 2 a.m. to 3 a.m., right? We took the external liquidity high here, and after like we create this fair value gap here, price come back, kind of reject it, activate those buyer here, going down, and I have those lows in my mind right now. And this is gonna be, if I take those low here, it's gonna be a 1-to-1 risk reward. So that makes sense actually. And I want to see this imbalance fill maybe in the future. We'll see. I just want to see the reaction above and below this lows here. You know, those three low are packed of order, right? So I want to see that. Okay, so I don't like this candle, but we'll see. Okay, so I will probably close a couple of percentage of my position. Okay. Perfect. So those low got taken out. I will close maybe another 20% off, right, on my position. Stop loss to break even. I don't want to risk that anymore because I don't like this candle here, right? But oh, I just want to put that like that because, you know. But I still have, I mean, I still have this imbalance in my head, right? I want to see that field. Because price move up faster, and I want to see that. So maybe I can identify this thing here, right? So this look got taken out. Okay, not bad. What time it is? Okay, so it's 3:34, right? So it's the first 5 minutes of the new 5 minutes of the 30 minutes. So you gotta keep that in mind, right? And it's all based from the previous H1, basically. This is the silver bullet 3 a.m., right? So I will close more profit here. Like I don't wanna risk too much. It's 4th of July, you know. So let's see if we can go further more. Okay, so this candle looks cool. I think, you know, I can identify this low got taken out. I still have this eye in mind right now as a, you know, possible like delivery if we take those low, you know. So I just want to make sure that, okay, you see I don't like this candle right now. Okay, still respect this eye actually, you know. It's not bad, it's not bad. So this imbalance almost filled. We almost back on the 50% of the previous hour, you know. This is your premium range, discount range from the previous hour, right? So that's why I want to take like some partial, right? And I want to take my profit at the 50% at, you know. But at the same time, this is the low of the day right here. So maybe all those stuff might be interesting. Maybe I can identify that just in case, you know. So those low here, I want to identify those low here, right? And I don't like those lines, but you know, I usually don't use those type of line. I think they are distraction. I don't know, but all right. So let's see if we can get the 50%, and we are still going down after. Let's see if we can take those low maybe later on, because that was the daily low, right? So I want maybe to see that. And what time is it? So 3:40. So there's 5 minutes left to the 15 minutes. If you check the 15 minute, that's a beautiful 15 minute. 5 minutes. I want to see this 5 minutes. Okay. Okay, I've seen some. Okay. Okay. I've seen some stuff that, you know. Alright, so I'll just go back on a 1 minute. Because the 2 minute, 3 minute, 4 minutes spoiled me actually. So, you know, but let's see what's going on. So, you know, like, look. They all get wrecked, basically. All those buyers here, literally all those buyers here from the last hour got absolutely shit on. And this is the truth, like, this is absolutely the truth. You know? So this setup was a win. Nice. And, you know, you can go crazy too, you know. I mean, 38.5 risk reward. No, but, you know, your sub should be above this daily high, right? At least, you know. This is bad, actually. This is bad. But I used to trade like always a real market, you know. But today it's 4th of July. I don't want to risk my money on this day, you know. So I just want to, you know, want to practice. Just want to talk about the concept a little bit. Just want to talk with you guys, chilling, you know. So if you guys can learn something, that was a silver bullet setup actually that we just backtest. That was actually not a bad setup. So what silver bullet sniper think about that? That was a silver bullet basically. So Unware Hey, you said if I want you to use only one strategy in only one session, what you will recommend? So I will recommend the silver bullet using that kind of strategy basically. So you plot a box on your last 1 hour, you know, high and lows, and you want to see external liquidity taken out, price coming back inside the range, create a displacement. In this displacement, you want to see a fair value gap on the 3rd candle close, right? And if the price come back inside this fair value gap and kind of respect it, you can take a trade, you know. Hey, Hydra, what's up, brother? If you guys don't follow him, just give him a little subscribe. Hydra is a good friend of mine. So yeah, this setup was clean actually. So, and this is oh, that was daily. Okay, so but you can use the 1 hour as well. Look, that you can use this 1 hour as well. This is more clean, you know. Look, the 1 hour flips straight up, no top wick at all, no top wick at all. You know, so you basically use your last 1 hour, you put a box on it. I have like an automatical like indicator that I've done, you know, but you don't need that actually. You don't need that. You can like, you just take your 2 a.m. lows, 3 a.m. high, you plot your box, and I highly recommend to put a green box if it's a bullish order flow, right? A recent order flow, and you want to go against those people, because this is how the market works, right? Yeah, it's extremely powerful, honestly. Because it make you focus on something, you know? Look, if I remove it, can you see the setup? I mean, you can see the setup, but not that much, you know? Not that much. You can see it, but not that much. You're more like confused, you know? So if you know... Oh, this is... Okay, this is my FX4 model. Alright, so... If you see the last hour was bullish, and you know the liquidity is coming in the market, you want to see like, you know, you want to see some sort of stuff like that happening. So this was the 3 a.m. silver bullet of last night. I don't know how many pips that was, but 19 pip. You see, that was fine. Even if that was 8, 9 pip, I'm happy with that. You know, as long as you're profitable, it's fine. So this was the gem of the day. I hope people like that. So I wanna quit that. But it's simple, guys. Like, don't go crazy, you know, like trying to fight demons, you know. There's no demon in the market, you know, like you choose your combat, right? So yeah, right now it's just 7:30, you know. There's no more like But we can go another day, right? And test it. But it's... I don't like the replay button. That's kind of weird. But I can draw like what I mean by that, right? So let's say... Alright, that's gonna be another kind of explanation, right? So let's say this is your new open, hour open, right? So H1 open, 3 a.m. Damn, that's a big... So, alright, so it's 3 a.m., right? Let's draw a box. So H1 close, right? I mean, no, yes. I mean, it's gonna be 2 a.m. and 3 a.m., right? That makes sense. And you are on the 1 minute, always. I mean, always, not always, but you want to work on the 1 minute because you know this is your range to work with. So you can see better all those high and lows, you know, like this is example, like the 1 hour open here example. Go down here. This kind of movement, right? This was the high. And, you know, just a small range at the end, basically. That's it. The candle closed like that. Alright, so 3 a.m. open, silver bullet time, right? What you know about that? So you can say, alright, perfect. I have external liquidity here about my H1 range, and I have external liquidity below this. Maybe I can put the... Maybe I can put that here, maybe. And one sec, I don't like this song because it's kind of weird. Alright. Alright, so let's say this is your external liquidity, right? Above and below this previous range. Because a candle close is a range, you know, basically. There's no, like, you cannot argue that. Like, a previous 1 hour candle is a range. Because that was a range of time, you know. So this is just logical, right? So this was your open of the previous candle, and this was your close from the new candle. So what you want to see, right? What we can mark to? We can mark 30-minute close, right? 30-minute close, because it's an important close. I want to get the 15-minute close as well, because I think it's relevant. And I want to see this 15-minute close as well, the 45 of the hour. I want to see the 1 hour close. I want to see this H1 close, right? Right, so this is my framework, basically. You know, so I know there's some internal liquidity here, right? And I can extend that over that place. And I'll put maybe, I don't know, like maybe what I can put, maybe blue, right? Let's put blue, right? Just internal liquidity is blue, right? And then purple is external for me. This looks like retail stuff. Damn. Support and resistance, guys. No, but this is it, because, like... Okay, so let's say we want to be out before the 1 hour close. Damn, okay. Alright, so let's start. So this is the first 1 hour, right? So what I want to see, what I would like to want to see. I don't know if I can say that like that, but this is what I would like to see, right? I would like to see the price go above the previous range, you know? And this is 3 a.m., right? This is the silver bullet, right? If the price go above this high, perfect. So what does that mean? Buy side liquidity taken out, right? I mean, buyers are activated. What does that mean exactly, right? That mean all the order above this high, right? People got activated, right? So where's their most recent stop can be? Can we say this is under this low? Can we say under this low? What can be like a... We know like all the retail trader trade 1-to-1 risk reward, 1-to-2 risk reward. So if we know they got activated here, right? And we have like example the target in mind. So maybe this was the target, right? We have a target in mind. So we can say maybe, all right, so this is gonna be a 1-to-1 risk reward for them, you know? Perfect. So what happened next? This is... Oh, I just deleted something, I think. Oh, okay, it's fine. What happened next? Price retrace, you know? Oh, damn, okay. You know? Alright, let's go. I'm gonna buy more and I'll put my stop under this low, right? And what happened next? Price displace and chase this first stop loss, right? Boom. So those people are out. They are out. They don't trade anymore, right? Okay, so those people are out, right? What's next? Oh, this is a displacement, right? Right? This is a displacement. So we have a fair value gap in this displacement, right? This is what I want to see, right? So I want to see the price maybe... So we just take those low here, below this internal liquidity, right? So price come back here in this fair value gap. And then boom, price retarget this low, all those low here, right? And what's next? Boom, those people are out, right? Oh, this was a winning trade actually. And if those low got taken out here, what does that mean? That means there's some people that want to go short below this low here, right? So what's next? Price retrace inside that stop loss and stopped out those people as well, you know? And then eventually, you know, there's maybe was a fair value gap as well here, you know? And price retarget this next low, you know? And back and forth, eventually maybe taking out all those lows, you know? So this is the way that I trade silver bullet basically. And it works all the time. Even if it's not a silver bullet time, like I can use my box of 1 hour and I can do some trade with it. Just based off the, you know, all of that. And can we take a short if we are on top here? Yes, because we are in premium of this range, you know, of this range here. We are in premium of this range. That's how I trade basically all the time. Is it complicated? I don't know. I hope it's not, because that was kind of clear, I feel like. Like a boss after FVG, but still clean. Yes, you can. Man, the more you have confluences, you know, the more your trade's gonna win, you know. But what I like to do, basically, I like to use the PO3 indicator that show me the daily candle example, right? The daily candle here on a big time frame, or maybe I can use the 1 hour too. Look, if the 1 hour open here at this level, oh wait, what did I just do? All right, so this was your 1 hour open, right? So if you understand the PO3 setup, right? If you understand the PO3 setup, you know the wicks do the damage, the body tell the story, right? This is an ICT quote, right? So what you see in this wicks, the damage, right? This is the damage, right? And this is the story, right? Is it complicated? I don't believe that it's complicated. It's very simple. I don't know how to explain more than this, but I hope it's clear. I hope it's clear, guys. It's very simple in my opinion. And I use that for years, all day, every day, bro. Like, it's so simple. If you keep in mind, all right, this is a recent order flow bullish, so I want to see those low taken out on the next hour. And if price continue going up, you know, it's fine. We don't buy in premium. We don't fucking buy in premium. It's so simple, you know. It's not complicated at all, you know. Yeah, this one got deleted because it was buggy. It was buggy, and I prefer like put all my time on the other one. I have some good plans for the next one as well. I want to add some stuff. And yeah. But you know, like, you don't need that. You can, you literally can plot a box by yourself and put a high and a low, you know. It's not hard. It's just, you know, just more time efficiency, basically. Because the box gonna plot automatically based of the previous OHLC, you know. And then, you know. And this is pretty much the same thing as my FX4 model, but the FX4 model use a larger range that use the daily open to 2 a.m. So this is including the range of Asian range, all that stuff. So, you know, when this breakout happened, damn, this trade is just beautiful. So. You used to be one of those, yeah, I know. I used to be that too. Because that's the retail logic, right? Oh, the price going up, boom, I'm buying, bro. Like, it's time, like, oh, we just break this high, that shit's gonna fly forever. No, it's not. It's just a stop on, you know. And this is how the liquidity works. If you don't activate your buyer, how are you gonna get their stop loss, you know? So you need to do manipulation first, and then, you know, you wanna, the price gonna deliver on the downside against those people, because that's a zero-sum game, right? If you remember that, that's a zero-sum game. So at the end of the day, if you lose $1, somebody else gonna make their dollar. And if 90% of people losing money in the market, who's gonna win? You know, that 10%. Is it a real human? Is it a superhuman? No, that's the algo, bro. That's the algo, bro. It's just logical, right? Just logical. Because if all the retail trader was making money, bro, like, you know, I don't know. That doesn't work. It's like an open sky casino, right? If I can say that. Oh, that's cool. I respect that. I mean, I'm selling this indicator, but, you know, you don't really need it. It's just like, it's just an help, you know. If you are a coder, you can do it by yourself. It's fun, you know. I respect that. And, you know, I don't really care, to be honest. But yeah, I have some good feature that I would like to add with this thing, basically. I have a lot of good ideas. The more that I connect the dots, the more the idea that I have, you know. Oh, that's cool, man. Thank you. But yeah, just, you know, at the time as well, like, you know, like, this is your first 15-minute close, like, put a vertical line. All right, I want to see this 15-minute close. Okay, so this 15-minute close bullish, right? So I want to see maybe, you know, the previous 15-minute low breaking out, respecting the previous 15-minute high, or, you know, all that stuff. Because all the candle is like a Lego, you know, like, it's like the toys, you know, the Lego blocks. They all, like, on top of each other, basically. And, you know, like, I mean, I have some ideas on why ICT was using this logo, basically, with the circle, you know. Because you have some small circle, big circle, you know. And I believe it represents the winner against the loser, basically. So you have like on a example, right? I'm just gonna show you what I mean by that. So I'll do a clear, you know. So this is your day, right? This is your day. That's what I believe, you know. You can believe whatever you want, and we never heard what is it really, right? So, but I believe this is the winner, and I believe this is the loser, right? And in those circle, you have some small winner, and you have some small, you have bigger, you know, you have. Wait, what I said? So this is the winner, and this is the loser, right? In this circle here, because this is the time, basically. That's what I think too, you know. This is the time. I mean, we never know what's gonna be really, but I think this is the time, you know. I believe this is the time. So time moving forward is a big bubble, basically, right? And in this period of time, you have more loser than winner, right? In this small period of time, you have more loser than winner, always, you know. And it's always the same thing, and it can repeat very small, you know. But that's what I believe, you know. Maybe it's not, but that's what I believe. And in this circle, you maybe have another circle, you know, and another bigger circle, you know. You know what I mean? That's what I think. That was my conclusion on that. So, because 90% of people losing money, right? So, but this is just a theory, right? This is not the truth. But this is what I believe too. So 744. Let's see. Oh, okay. So. Okay. I'll put 4 hours, just I want to see that. Okay, so look at this. Alright, so this is the 4 hour, right? We are on discount. We taken out external liquidity here from the 4 hour low. Then, you know, like price gonna deliver to the upside now, I feel like. What is it? Is it 1 hour? So I can put maybe 4 hour. I want to see this 4 hour. So this was the eye of the 4 hour. We reach on a discount on a premium zone. Price got rejected, which is fine. But now I feel like we go against those people here. What's the time about that? If you're curious. So that was a 7 a.m. 7 a.m. So yeah, like you see, like prices in delivery already against those people. So what's happened here? That's the same victim. I'm sad for those people actually, because you know, look, they got trigger and sell here, but you know, price favors against them. Sadly, unfortunately. But this is based off the 4 hour, right? But if we go in the 1 hour, maybe what's up with 1 hour? So 1 hour, we absolutely demolished the downside. I feel that the 4 hour was better in this case. And if we put the 2 hours, maybe 3 hours, maybe. Okay, 3 hours is equal 4 hour. So the same thing. But yeah, it's pretty simple, honestly. Looks complicated, but it's not really. Look at this. This is... So look, if you... Okay, so this is something maybe that you can consider as well. If you're not really good with FVG and all that stuff, if you get one 15-minute close inside the range, right? Can you consider the next one, right? Maybe, I don't know. If you want to buy, maybe, I mean, usually you want to buy on the premium discount of this candle, but you know, example, you wait, what is it? Is it a sell? Yeah, this is a sell. What the fuck? So you want to buy maybe here, you want to put your stop below here, and you want to retarget those high maybe, I don't know, you know. So it's just an idea like that. Because you see that on 15 minute, but if you go on a 10 minute, you have more candle printing, you know, like this 5 minute here, you see that. So you see this beautiful 5 minute, this might be my displacement on the lower time frame, you see that. And if I put a premium discount on it, wait, so most area. If we go in the lower time frame, you see that. Oh yeah, that was a fair value gap. That was a displacement actually. If you're gonna 2 minute, yep, you see the price reverse at this almost discount. That was all. I mean, because it always depends on the liquidity provider too. But you know, like this was technically a discount. You know, the price reverse from there. You go in the 1 minute. So the displacement is better on the 2 minute. You see this candle rejecting this previous H4 low, you know. So the shade area, yeah, exactly. The shade area represent my previous 4-hour range, which is my recent order flow range, you know. That's my dealing range. So I want to see this as my external liquidity and this as my external liquidity from this 4-hour range. So the last 4 hour was full of buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, whatever, and this was my kind of accumulation range, would say. And you see that, what is it, candle already? Well, I need to remove that maybe. So this is 4 hours. So this new 4 hour base of the open price, right? This is the 4 hour flip. This is where the 4 hour gonna flip. So which is kind of crazy here, but look how the price reacted this level here. You see that? I don't like this song as well, I feel like. But I'm just bad. I'm just, you know, I'm just talking for today, honestly. I don't take any trade, but I think it's nice. I hope you guys like that. Usually when people don't talk a lot in the chats because people listening, you know, but it's fine. I like that. Don't get distracted by the chat, you know. But this 5 minute was convincing actually, yeah. This 10 minute is nice as well, damn. This 10 minute candle break above this high as well. The body is above the high, that's nice. So look, now there's 10 minutes left on this is the last, if you check the time, 7:50, this is the last 10 minute candle, right? But there's a huge imbalance here, I don't like that. But I think price gonna deliver because we already taken all the stuff from the previous hour. So what does that mean exactly? I want to specify that as well. Because look, this range here, if you go buy in this range, you're out here, basically. You're out. You're already out. You know, you're already out. And if you're like an angel and you're pretty like lucky, your stop loss may be below here. With the mega stop, you know. And you're still in, but I don't believe that. I believe this push was a delivery. You see this massive red, not red candle, but those black candle here? You see those push? You see this volatility here? This was a price delivery. Why? Look. We take buyer above this high. You see that? Into a previous 4 hour premium price, right? And price deliver to stop loss. Where's the stop loss of those people? Where's the stop loss of those people here? All those people here. Plus those people here, right? It's down there. What happened next? Price break the low. Stopped out those people, price reverse. But as well activate a lot of seller too, you know, because people are not stupid. They say, oh damn, see if the price break below this low, I'm gonna go short. But look, price reverse. Sorry, brother. This is how it works. Okay, I don't like this song as well. What's your top-down approach for your strategy using the 4-hour? I mean, I just explained pretty much, yeah. The new candle open, the 4-hour open here. And this is gonna be a feature that I wanna add on the next version of my tool. And this is gonna be an open line like that, a vertical line. So you really can understand what's going on. As soon as the candle open, you can understand what's going on. Look, if you go on the 1 minute example, right? Perfect. You go here, right? This low got taken out. Perfect. What's next? This low got taken out. Perfect. What's next? Those low got taken out. Perfect. But we are still on a discount from the previous H4, right? So what does that mean? Want to buy, you know? Against those people, here, look. So we almost reached this level. That was a sign that maybe the price gonna reverse eventually. And we create those equal high here. All those equal high here. Into a previous 4-hour premium zone. Boom, price reverse got delivered to stocks. So all those people that bought got destroyed basically. Look, there's 5 minutes left right now. You see that? Price take this high here. This is crazy. And that happened all the time. Gonna feel the imbalance in 10 minutes. You see that? So maybe if the price reverse from this point, might be okay. But I think we're gonna go for those low right now. I have that in mind. Five minutes left for the 1 hour close. Right? If we check the previous 1 hour, I'm curious. Okay, so we are back inside this range. Okay, so that was a very small range. So I prefer using 4-hour for this small volatility range. So look, if you know that this is your imbalance, right? The low of this 10-minute fair value gap, whatever. And you see the price react from this low, maybe you can anticipate the going up again, you know. So, but you want to see the candle forming, you know. You want to see maybe a 5-minute close bullish in this area or something like that, you know. All the candle, like, it's like my example that I say all the time, like the telescopic ladder, you know. I don't know if you guys already seen that, but it's like a ladder that telescopic, you know. Maybe I can find a picture on telescopic ladder, but it's like that basically. Like I see the price like that basically. When I watch the candle like this is like your 1 minute, 2 minute, 3 minute. You know what I mean? They all in each other basically. But you know. So look. when we break this little high here, right? People was like, damn, that could be a nice target here. So I want to go buy and retarget that. So they buy in premium like a stupid idiot, right? Where's their stop is? Below this low, right? Of course, it's a 1-to-1. Boom, price go for their stop. Automatically, because we break this high, you know. They got activated, boom, price fever. So we never buy in a premium zone, you know. Of this 1 hour range, basically, yeah. So 3 minutes left for the... honestly, I don't trade today. Like the day is cuff actually because of the 4th of July. I don't want to trade anything. But I'm just watching, you know, I'm just talking with you guys. I want to go over some stuff. But I'm about to close the stream maybe in 15 minutes. But okay, so you see this reaction from this imbalance? I like that. I like that. And we kind of break this small low here, but this is very like small setup, right? And this candle's not closed yet too. It's 20 seconds left, right? And we are gonna transition on the new 1 hour open, so I don't wanna anticipate anything, you know. I never really trade honestly New York time as well, because I don't know. It's a monkey circus. On a daily candle, I can put a daily candle here. So, and I can put the daily candle on this thing as well, so you can see better. So you see, this is scuff as fuck, man. It's not good. But I like this liquidity grab here. Not gonna lie. Above this Asian range, damn, this is kind of sexy actually. This is kind of violent too, damn, god damn it. Oh, that's London, alright. I mean, I'm not a mentor, right? I'm just a guy that trade, basically, you know? And I use his concept. I like his concept. Those concepts changed my life, for real. And I believe they are the best, to be honest. A marketing gimmick? No, this is not the same thing, guys. Don't confuse the stuff. This is the fixed 4 model that gonna get released tomorrow, right? The 5 of July. Oh, I just deleted. This indicator here is gonna get released tomorrow for free. It's free, entirely free. You can do whatever you want with it. And this is just a tool, you know, it's not like a signal stuff or whatever. It's just a tool. This is the tool that I created with 2 degrees. What's the use of this tool, right? Previous daily high, previous daily low. So this is a important PDA rate, right? You have your 50% of this range. But also you have the new daily open here, right? The candle open, the HLC open, whatever. And then 9 hour range. This is usually a 9 hour range because I'm 30 minutes right now, but this is a 9 hour range, including the Asian range. So you have the Asian range plus all the lunch and all that stuff. Like, that's a massive range, right? And what I want to see, usually, I want to see a reaction of this range. Like, I want to see a low taken out or something, you know. But not even that. This is your previous daily high and low premium and discount, right? This is logic, right? This is your high, this is your low. So this is your premium discount from the previous day. But also you have the 50% of this accumulation range, you know? So what if the price do manipulation below this low, right? And price can reverse, you see that? But it's not a good day for them for like showing that kind of stuff. And you have all the candle close here. This is gonna be free, don't worry about that. And you have your midnight open line as well here. Midnight open. Asian range low, Asian range high. Plus the massive accumulation range from the daily open to 2 a.m. This is a London model basically, right? But can be used later on as well. Depends. It's very simple, it's not complicated. Like you can plot all that stuff like manually if you want. Just automate it, you know, you don't have to worry about anything. So basically you sit in front of your chart and you still have like the framework that you need for trading. This is how you generate some IDs, you know. And not in a bad way. Because that's a massive range. You don't only use the previous H for high and low, you know what I mean? Like so yeah, this FX4 model is gonna be released tomorrow for free for everybody. So you can use that, you know, and you can do what you want with it. You know, I think it's a powerful tool. I've made it. I mean, yeah, I've got some nice return with that stuff. Very simple approach, you know, and you know, if we go on the previous day, maybe I can show you something, I guess. So this was not a good day actually. That's a new Q3, right? If you look at this is the new, you know. So when you see the box like that, it's not a good sign, you know. The box is below the previous daily range, you know, it's not looking good. So let's see when the range gonna close. So midnight open, right? So already in midnight open, you can start chasing those lows and those high, you know. Bro, it's gonna be free. Bro, okay, so I'm gonna repeat, alright? Maybe you don't understand, but this indicator is gonna be absolutely free for everybody. And I developed another model, another tool that's gonna be released. That's being released the 1st of July. And if you don't want to use it, it's fine. I don't twist the arm of anybody to use it. It's, you know, so. But this tool's gonna be free. If you want to use it, use it. If you don't want to use it, don't use it. You know, it's fine. Yeah, it's a fun tool, you know, it's a fun tool. And it's literally the cost of a McDonald's, you know. I don't even know why we, you know, talk about it. So previous daily low got taken out, price reverse, targeting previous daily high. Price activate buyers above previous daily high, rejecting. So if you go on the lower time frame, you can find those set up. You go on the 2 minute, maybe you probably have a displacement somewhere. Look, those displacement here, those move here. You see that? And all those buyers got stopped out. I mean, it's gonna be released at 5 of July tomorrow, basically. So don't worry, but you'll see people spamming that in my Twitter and all that stuff. And also, if you don't understand how to use it, I recommend you don't use it. You know, you need to understand the basics and the mechanics from ICT first before using the tool. Because if you don't understand how a premium discount works, you're never gonna be able to make this indicator work. You know what I mean? Because ICT is the algorithm, right? Is invented like the mechanic behind, and then I just made a tool that can help you find some setup based on the information that I have, and it works. Actually works. Look, previous daily high, previous PD array, a massive PD array. That means there's a shit ton of liquidity above this high, you know? That's what I mean by that. And what's happened? Price go above, bam, displacement back inside the range. And then, you know, fair value gap fill, boom, blah, blah, blah. And if you go on a lower time frame, you can find better entry and all that stuff. And retarget previous daily 50%, you know. I'm in Australia. 5 is in 2 hours. Nah, it's gonna be New York time, right? It's gonna be New York time. But even that's gonna be maybe tomorrow around. I'd say maybe around maybe 1 p.m. Right? Something like that. All right, let's go see. I want to see the 8-hour open from Euro USD. Just want to see the mess. So I can remove my FX4 model because I don't want to use it for now. And I'll go back on the, this is, what the fuck is this? So I'll put that in a 4, let's go in a 1 hour, right? And put that 1 hour too. Okay. You have a small range, bullish range. Is there any lows or high that we taken out? Not really. If we check on the previous range, there's nothing taken out. So we actually are in discount, right? But I would like, okay, so I would like to see, we're just talking for talking, but I would like to see an external liquidity taken out on this setup. I don't want to take anything inside this range. Not my goal, right? And I'm literally just watching for today. No trade, no trade. And this is 1 hour too, alright? So like I said earlier on, if we take this high here, we might see the price reverse, you know, to go against this small order flow here. But, you know, let's see. What's the 4 hour looking like? I think the 4 hours was bullish, right? Or bearish, maybe. Okay, so 4 hours flipping. That's the 5 a.m. 4 hour, basically. And if you want this tool, this is free as well. It's a PO3 tool made by 2 Degree. If you type power, higher time frame power of 3 by 2 degrees, 3,000 people using it. Okay. A marketing gimmick. That's hilarious, bro. So let's extend. Oh, I'm gonna identify some key level that I wanna in time, you know. So I wanna see 8:15 close, and I wanna see M 8:30 close, and I would like to see the 9 a.m. close. But I believe my stream's gonna be closed at this time. I don't wanna upload like a, wait, what? Just don't want to upload like a 3 hours stream, you know. And I'm gonna put the 845. See, I like those range. So external liquidity here, right? From my previous 1 hour range. And this is all my internal liquidity range, basically. This is the actual H1 candle base of the H1 previous range. So let's see. A nice setup in GBP USD. I don't trade GBP USD because I'm a huge fan of Euro USD. I like the spread. So when you trade like a bigger lot size, you want better spread, of course. And you know, if you don't trade demo, you wanna you wanna reduce those fees at least. And I like the liquidity in Euro USD. It's the biggest pair, you know, in the world. The two biggest currency. So, my opinion is the best pair. Some people like some other pair for some reason. I think GBP USD is nice if you trade breakout. If you trade gold, I think it's nice pair for breakout too. You know. So above a whole high, you can put a buy stop there. Just take a couple pip, close everything. This is what I was doing with gold back then. But there's a lot of pair that have different characteristics, you know. But if you trade always the same thing, you just learn all the time, basically, you know. Always learn. But it's honestly, it's mainly for the spread. $1 a.m. London kill zone for Forex. That's the information that I have. But I know I'm gonna do a couple change on this time index. I've noticed couple stuff like the silver bullet from PM session. It's the same time for both, but just small detail, you know. The main core is there basically, I feel like. But next week I'm gonna release another version. It's gonna be the V2 version. JG is a nice pair for breakout too, I feel like. I used to trade JG a lot, and I was trading JG on the breakout. So what I was doing with JG basically, I was looking to target some previous high and some previous low, but that was my whole strategy basically. A long time ago. So I was technically buying in premium zone, you know. It's not good. Okay, so this is a 15-minute close, right? So I'm gonna put my 15-minute here. I want to see this 15-minute, how it looks like. Okay, so this is the... Okay, so that was the new 15-minute. Alright. But I still have a good idea, right? Okay, so actually... price go inside premium of the previous range. And then price go up, you know. So if you see that on a different perspective, you probably have one candle like that. Next candle might become like that, but like the Wicks, it's like that, you know. This is the 50%. So this is this here. Eventually, if you always work like that, you will understand how the candle form, you know. But if you add all the liquidity and all the ICT stuff on top of that, this is just too broken. So I don't like this song as well. Damn. I need some good copyright music. Maybe this. Okay, this is the 8/16 vibe, I guess. Honestly, it's not worth to trade right now, right? Why are you trading at bank holiday? No, I said that I don't trade a couple times, at least 10 times in this stream. So I don't know. Maybe you just came in. But I've said I don't trade. So we did some backtesting, we did some nice stuff, we did some backtesting on Silver Bullet. We done a lot of stuff like in the last couple, in the last hour basically. Because the stream is live for 1 hour, 13 minutes. But I'm not trading, I just want to tape read basically. I want to backtest that. I use the Asian Open because I like the real daily candle. But I use Midnight Open line on my chart. I draw it basically. Then we have 68 viewers, guys. If you can drop a like on the stream, that could be nice, or subscribe or anything. I want to grow this channel this year and this month. And I have a lot of stuff to say, right? All based on my experience, you know. I don't know, we're just practicing. But I do live streaming basically all the time in London session usually, and I take real trades. So you guys like that, you know. I have a Discord, a free Discord too. I'm never gonna charge for that, so people can enjoy talking together about all the concept and all that stuff. I think it's nice. I know a lot of people that really help them to grow, you know. There's people that been in the Discord for 1 month and they said, damn, bro, like, I improved it a lot in 1 month. And I can see that because I'm seeing your chart from the first time you post a chart on my Discord, and I see the chart in the future, and I see, like, the difference, you know. I can recognize if somebody is a good trader or not, you know. Because when you understand how it's working, bro, like, you can see if somebody plotting everything for no reason, you know. But I've seen some nice people like improving, you know. And it's really nice to see. So you see this new 15-minute open, right? So first 15-minute push, second 15-minute drop, you know, grabbing liquidity below those little low here. And we'll see. We'll see what's next. I'm improved so much like a rocket. Nice, nice, brother. I'm proud of you. That's nice. That's very nice. That's the goal, right? That's just the goal. That always been my idea, right? If I can help other traders to become profitable for X reason that they lack or whatever, and the world's become better because there's more people that have great value and have money to, you know, like giving back, that could be crazy, you know. We're never gonna change the world, but if everybody say that, you know, that never's gonna happen. But if everybody say, oh, we're never gonna change the world, you know, that doesn't need to be a big change, you know. Some people like the nature, you know, like they're gonna gather all the garbage on the ground and put that in the garbage, you know. They try to help the planet, you know, somehow. I think if everybody like can do that on their own style or own perspective of life, bro, like that could be nice, you know. That's the goal. Damn, you guys, you see that? You see that? Like how trading is boring. This is true, right? All right. So what time is it? So here we close the first 5 minutes. You see that? This is the first 5 minutes. So what's next? We have another 5 minutes. Look at the first minute of the 5 minutes. 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 5 minutes. You know, see that? No, there's no alert, unfortunately, because the alert is kind of weird on the trading view, the way it works. One year? No, I don't trade 1 year. This is the range of the last hour, and this is the new hour, and I've split all the time. Like example, first 8, 8:15, 8:30, 8:45, 9 hours. I want to see the price in this range. So FX4 model is basically a model for London session, right? After London, if you have taken a trade or anything, this indicator's only good for the previous daily high and lows for the distribution and the later on in the day, right? So it's like a bigger scale, but if you want to scalp, like example, a silver bullet, this tool plot a box on the previous hour low and high from the open to close, that create a box like that. And then you can go in the 1 minute and see what's going on with the price, you know, what kind of low we taken out. All right, so we take this internal liquidity low. All right, so price gonna deliver to this high, you know, it just, you know, you have a YouTube video. I'm gonna do a video maybe next week about it. And I know there's a couple guy that I talking about that have YouTube channel that want to maybe not do an interview with me, but do like a video about it and explain how it's supposed to work, you know. I think it's gonna be great. But honestly, it's more like a framework than a model. I know the name is a model, but it's more like a framework that give you like a where the price is in time and in range, you know. Mostly like that. Mostly that. So 8:30, we technically have the news embargo, but I think today we're not gonna be anything, you know. So this is the next 5 minute close. It's the same range. Yeah, we're still in premium from this previous hour range. If I put like a, you know, technically I don't want to buy here, you know. I would like to see the price punch above this high, take a short maybe, but I feel there's nothing gonna move today, honestly. I'm just tape reading. It's just pretty boring, actually. I'm sorry for that. I don't decide if the market move or not. I wish I can, but you know, I believe the market's not gonna move a lot today, honestly. But you know, if you watch back the stream, I think there's a nice silver bullet section that maybe I'm gonna cut off and repost it. You know, the 3 minute, 5 minute explanation. But I feel that it's nice. That was very useful, I feel like. You know, I can plot all the time something, you know, but look, this low got taken out. It's a very, very small trading, you know, very small range. Damn, this music make me too much hype right now. I want to press the button with this music. No, honestly, we don't press button today. There's no point, yeah. I'm just watching. But look, I have a framework. That's my framework, actually, you know. Cat CHF, damn, that's an old pair that I never trade, bro. Oh my god. Yeah, let's go with this one. Okay, so you mean the high got taken out, right? Maybe I can check gold, maybe. Oh yeah, gold. Oh, you see, that's a nice example. Damn. Okay, 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 okay. We have a nice example here. God damn it. You see that? Are you seeing that? Right? Right. Premium discount from the previous 1 hour, right? 1 hour range from 7 o'clock to 8 o'clock. What's going on? Price chase for liquidity. Above this eye. Displacement down. Fair value gap. God damn it, that's a nice setup, bro. That's another displacement here with a fair value gap here as well. Damn, okay, that's clean, dude. I need to trade gold. What the fuck? No, that's clean. That's very clean. And this is the 1 hour, right? This is the 1 hour flip bearish. Targeting this low. Damn. Okay, so this is a very good example here, actually. And you see, I don't plot anything. Like, I just come to gold, and my indicator already show me what I want to see, you know. That's the genius thing in this thing. But you don't need that, you know. You don't need that. If you don't want, like, if you don't want it, you can plot all the bucks. You just, you know, you need to determine what's the previous hour range, you know, and plot a box, put some line, you know, some stuff like that. But this is a very good example here. A very, very good example. And we take those high as well. God damn it. That is crazy. Really nice, really nice. And you have your fair value gap here from this range, right? So I'm gonna remove that since we know this is the liquidity taken out. Maybe I can put an X here. Oh damn, that is clean. And we have another one here. From this candle low to this high here. And look, that's a 50% of this. God damn it. That is fucking clean. That was double entry here. God damn it. Beautiful. Beautiful. This is exactly what I want to see on Euro USD, but for now, you know, it's pretty shit. But can you imagine how much you can filter your trade if you don't fucking care about the internal liquidity as a, you know, like, as a your main ID, you know? So look, you want to see like an external liquidity taken out. So that's like most important than all those high and lows inside this range, you know? And then you can try to get like an internal liquidity target. You know what I mean? I hope it's clear. It's not complicated at all. Like, it sounds scary, it sounds weird, but it's not in reality. So those lows gonna get triggered now. How many pip left? I think it's like 0.2 pip. I think it's done right now. So almost done. But this is crazy. You see that? That's a very good example, actually. Starting to be clear. Yeah, it's not complicated at all. Look, last hour range, right? You have your external liquidity here above and below this range. You have a premium discount of this range. You have a lot of information just there, you know, you have a lot of information just there. So what you want to see next? Want to see the price taking out the previous high, displacement down inside the range, fair value gap fill, and retarget a previous low somewhere in the internal liquidity in this range. That's it. That's all you need. That's all you need. What's your preferred time frame? It depends, all right? What I'm looking at is the time, all right? So if a new, all right, so like, look, there's different way, all right? I like the 1 hour if the new hour just opened, because I get like a brand new fresh setup, right? But if the new 4 hour open, I'm gonna use 4 hour, but I can use both as well. I can use 1 hour and I can use 4 hour. It depends how many times you want to be in the trade, you know. If you use 4 hour, honestly, that probably gonna be longer trade, you know. If you use 1 hour, you get a smaller trade, but you can control the trade inside the next hour, you know. If you use 4 hour, you have 4 hours to manage the trade, but you know, between each 1 hour, you still reduce the chance to winning a trade. You know what I mean? So I like 1 hour, to be honest. I think it's fair. You probably can use 30 minutes, but it's not a big range, so it doesn't have any time to accumulate a lot, you know. Look, this is absolutely got shit on, you know. The wicks do the damage, the body tell the story, guys. Remember that. ICD tell that himself, you know. So. Is it a displacement back inside the range? I'm not gonna be surprised if they do that, because there's a lot of stop loss below here and a lot of sell order, right? More here. Do we take this low here? No. Okay, we'll see. If we displace really hard inside the range like this displacement here, this candle here, those two big candles here, that might be interesting. And I'm just gonna paper trade or anything. I think I have the paper trade thingy on this thing, actually. Buy, sell, bottom, execution. Just stick, I don't care about the money, right? But, alright, so let's see if we can paper trade this trade. But I'm glad some people start to understand this principle, because it's very basic, you know. Now we are on discount from previous 1 hour, right? We activate external liquidity, meaning there's a lot of seller that got activated below this low, right? And their stop loss is probably above this high, right? Or maybe above, that's a too big, so yeah. I will target this high, but it's gonna be probably the displacement. We'll see. I don't think that's gonna be a nice trade. But I don't take any trade anyways, right? But I just anticipate that people got trigger and stop and sell here, and now their stop loss is here, you know. So price most likely gonna go for those stuff, you know. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. I'm just gonna identify this eye, you know, as a maybe target, you know. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. This is a very high, too big range, you know, but we'll see. Probably an imbalance in the lower time frame, I guess, in the higher time frame. Yeah, it's a massive imbalance. We'll see. We'll see. We still have those low here in head, I feel like. They might go for those low here too. So this might be another, but we don't want to sell here because we already missed the trade. If you want to sell, bro, you want to sell here on top, right? you know, premium discount, you know, premium discount from this range, you know, very simple. What if I put that 4 hour? Okay, so look, yeah, okay. So we took above this high of this 4 hour. Just gonna put my green, right? Oh wait. Uh-oh. I clicked the wrong thing, right? So let's put 1 hour, right? And I'll put multiple 1 hour so we can see what I mean by that. Like, you see that? This is the last 3 hours, basically. Fucking clean, I feel like. Because look, you have this low here. This previous low that this my range here that I identify, right? And this is the current. Look, we break above this previous H1 high, grabbing liquidity here, do the damage, the wick do the damage, right? And then deliver lower, basically. I know this is looking like shiny stuff and all that stuff, but this is not. This is a real tool, I feel like. I like it. Because, you know, you can have multiple screen as well, you know? Like, I know ICT have, like, maybe 6 to 8 screens, monitors, I mean, and then you can watch all the time frame at the same time on different screen, you know? But, you know, if you're traveling, if you have, like, one single screen and you don't want to invest in that too much, you can just have an indicator that show you at the real time the 1 minute on the another time frame. It's just that simple, you know. So, you know, it's not like a shiny indicator that say, oh, okay, buy here, sell here, you know, all that stuff. Or like a MACD or all that bullshit, you know. It's just like a real tool. So 1 minute, 20 seconds left on the 15-minute close. So if this 15-minute close like that, probably gonna retrace a little bit, grab this eye here on the next 15, and then maybe I can show the 15 so you guys can understand. So we are on the 4. Let's go on the 15-minute, right? And I'll put 4. I'll put 5, right? I'll put 4, right? So this was the first 15-minute close. Second 15-minute close cancel the first one above a previous high. So look, the new 15-minute open. So what's going on? This 15 minutes gonna grab liquidity above this high, right? Logic, right? And then price gonna deliver downside. But this is the last 15, so it's the last 15 before the new hour open. So when we see the new hour open, we delete everything and reset, full reset. That's what I trade. That's how I trade, I mean. But look, I can zoom more if you guys want to see. But look, this is your 15-minute right now. Developing, forming, whatever you call it. So I would like to see a grab above this high and then deliver to stop loss here below this low, you know. Let's see, we'll see. We'll see just on the first 5 minutes. First, second, 5 minutes, because it's a power of 3, right? Remember that. Everything you can divide by 3, you can have a power of 3, basically, I feel like. Look, the first 5 minutes gonna be a grab. The second 5 minutes gonna go down, create this manipulation. And then you can have distribution, you know. So if you divide 3 candle 5 minute into 3, if you divide a 15 minute in 3 candle, you have 3 5-minute candle, you know. So this is your 15-minute formation here. And we have a massive imbalance on the last 15 minutes, right? So I think we can grab maybe above this high, or maybe they're just gonna go down, they don't even care. But if you want to sell, example, I don't think it's a good idea right now, but you can identify the premium and discount from the last 15. Then if price retrace above this high, right, into a premium price from the previous 15, price gonna go down after, you know. But it always depends of the reaction here. You want to see that. I don't know. I hope it's clear, right? It's not complicated at all. But this is what I would like to see. This does not mean that it's gonna be that, right? So, and I don't understand. Oh yeah, that was on a Euro USD, right? But I wanna put my vertical line. So 45, and the last 15 minutes gonna be that. So, and you can go crazy and set, all right. So I wanna see what's going on the 15-minute left. So this is your 5-minute range. You wanna see this graph here? Second 5 minutes of the 15 and the last 15, the last 5 of the 15, right? But it's very, oh, you see, surprise. Oh, we take people above this high here, we'll see, but I believe we can go reach for those one here. We'll see. If we break this low here, I don't think anymore, but I mean, I could go on a lower time frame if I want. This is a 30-second. Let's go on the 15-second, right? But this is a flex actually. But look, you can see this eye got taken out. I don't know what's going on. Oh, I cannot show. Okay, under this. Okay, so we literally take this high here. Let's go to 5-second if you want. This is pretty scuff, right? This is gold. You see the volatility of gold. So we just entered a new 5-minute. So this is the last 10-minute. Last 10 minutes of the hour, right? And we are on the 5-second time frame right now. I don't know. We'll see. Okay, so this is the pullback of the last 5 minutes, right? We go on the... go back on a 5-second. It's sad that this indicator doesn't... This one work, maybe? Can show the last 5 minutes? Or the actual 5 minutes? Oh, yeah, nice. Okay, cool. So you see, this is the last 5 minutes of the hour, and we have a 5-second price action. This is cool, no? Is it? We take this high, this little high. But this is overkill, right? But it's just showing you how it can be crazy, how you can go crazy if you understand the principle. You know? It is just that. But this is normal. Like the 5 minutes gonna create a stop wick, right? And maybe gonna go down after. I wish this one works on the... I don't know why it's not. Maybe on this, if I put 5 minutes here. I'm gonna ask 2degree about that. I don't understand why it's not showing up. Oh, you see that? That was somebody that pressed something. No, is it? That's the 5 minute top wick, right? Damn. Okay, okay. Thanks, very informative. Yeah. Welcome. You're welcome. All right. How many time left for the last 5 minutes of the hour? Right. We have 2 minutes 40 seconds. So I like this move. I like this move. That can be promising for the rest. Oh yeah, it is volatile, right? It's a 5 minute. Okay. And you can go crazy. Look, I can put that on my last 5 minutes and show you that. You know. All right, so 2 minutes left. 2 minutes left. Are we gonna break? Oh, we just break the previous 5 high. Okay, interesting. Damn, that's a range, you know, at this point. Okay, so they want to close the 1 hour with the bottom wick, which is fine, I feel like. Oh. Oh. Uh-oh. Okay, my bad. I press space bar. Oh, maybe I can remove that. Yeah, we'll see better now. Okay, so technically they want to close. If I put the 1 hour here, they want to close the 1 hour with a bottom wick. See that? Oh, I think they... How many time left right now? 30 seconds left. Uh-oh. 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 30 seconds left. This is a massive gap. But I mean, somebody press a button here. Okay. 15 seconds left. Okay, 2 seconds left. All right. This is the new hour open. can delete everything if you want to see better, maybe. But so we took the previous 5. This is 5 minutes, right? I can use 15 minutes now if I want, because I know what was the last 15 minutes, right? I know what my 15 minute looks like. But this is overkill. You don't need 5 seconds. You don't need that. I feel that it's more cleaning out 15. I feel like. Let's put the last 1 hour and reset the whole thing, alright? Let's reset the whole thing. And I'll go back on the 1 minute. We gotta reset. We gotta reset. So this is the last 1 hour, right? Alright. So, interesting. What do we have on the 1 hour? We have our external liquidity here, and we have our external liquidity here. So let's see what we can get. Yeah, that's a very simple tool, but it's nice. Top right tell you the pair. Yeah, I have this 2 degrees. I'm a very 2 degrees enjoyer, you know. You probably can see nice the displacement on a 30-second. 30-second is like the half of 1 minute. So in 1 minute you have 2 candles of 30 seconds, basically. Simple, you know. It's overkill, but if you know exactly your fractal of where you want to enter, you know, you can abuse from that, of course. By the way, guys, I'm not trading today, right? I'm just observing. I'm having fun with you guys. I want to, you know, I just want to chill, basically. It's a chill day, right? We chill. Oh, let's go watch Euro USD. I'm just curious. I don't trade in a lot of. I'm gonna delete. What we just get on Euro USD? So external liquidity taken out, right? Delivered to stop loss already. Yeah, we missed the trade, unfortunate. This is 1 hour, right? Okay, cool. This is 1 hour too, right? Damn, okay, you see that? So now that we have a displacement, we have this candle here that I like, I know. I'm gonna put some offset on that shit, because... Alright. Damn, okay, we already taken those low. God damn it. Alright. You see those low got taken out already. Alright, so since we missed this trade, alright. I want to see this reaction of the 50% of this range, because this is your premium discount, right? Premium discount of this range. And if the candle reject this 50%, there's a chance of price going back up. Let's see, let's see. So this low got taken out, perfect. And this was the delivery of this high got taken out. So what does that mean? That means people that got triggered and buy here got already stopped out, basically. You see that? So this is what I want to see for that. Now we're taking this low, seller. So basically I want to deliver that to this fair value gap. But I would like to see maybe a reaction, because I cannot buy in a premium, bro. Like, I really need a low taken out on this discount, you know. So I would like maybe to buy below this low here, or maybe below this low. We'll see. But I need a breakout and all that. So I'll show you guys. I'll show you guys. I can remove that. So okay, so we are now in a discount price. They are targeting those low here aggressively, right? This is 30-second, by the way. Can go into 15. 15 you have. So, alright, so let's just... Oh, damn, that was the wrong button. I don't use that shit usually. So, let's buy here, right? And let's see if we can deliver those to this high here. Minimum this high. So I buy like... Bro, I never use TradingView for trading actually, so... Okay, so just let's see if we can get something like that. I want to see this eye taken out first. I'm gonna take partial of this eye. So, you know, I don't even know how to take partial of this thing actually, so... Do I just do something right now? What's going on? I don't like that. Order. Okay, so I have the order now. Okay, cool. My bad. I never trade with TradingView actually, so I just wanna paper trade, you know. But let's see. So we have now a reaction of this discount level from the previous hour. We are technically almost in profit. I don't know what's the spread on this bullshit, but let's see. So we take those low here, so I was anticipating the stop loss was above this high. We'll see if we can get that. Let's go back on a 30-second. I don't like the... What is this weird candle, bro? Okay, so we gap this... What the fuck is... Okay, on the 1 minute looks cool. The 1 minute looks cool. I like the reaction of this level. We break below this low, so I can identify that as a liquidity taken out, right? Let's go back on a 30-second. I still have those eye in my mind. We have an imbalance here that I want to see fill. This fair value gap still here and still valid in my opinion, right? Let's see. But it's not like the best day for trading as well. I'm just paper trading, having fun, you know, chilling for you. So we'll see. This is based off the previous 1 hour, right? Those candles are weird. Is it better in 5 seconds? No, 5 seconds. Look, this is a lack of volume, volatility, whatever you call it. Let's go back on the 1 minute. I want to see some stuff. 2 minute. Okay, so we break the previous 2 minute low. Okay, so... Okay. You see, I will close that trade actually. No, I don't want to be in this trade anymore. Doesn't give me what I want, so it's fine. 1.9 pip stop loss. I don't like that. I just don't like that. If you go on a 3 minute, look, it's not looking good. We just... Okay, so... So I need to put some line, right? I can reuse this one here, I feel like. But I would, and that's the thing, I was not considering the factor of time too on this trade, so. This is your 30-minute, this is your... So the mistake here is I was not considering the time factor, this time factor, right? I trade on the first 15 minutes, which is not a good idea actually. You don't trade on the first 15 minutes, like, I mean, if you go short against the recent trend, okay, but if you want to go on the same direction of the previous range, you want to wait maybe for a 15-minute to close to give you some sort of confirmation, you know, more candle print, basically. More structure on the lower time frame, you know. So, do we take those low? I think, yeah, I think we took those, huh, right? Do we? Yeah, we do. Alright. So we take, kind of, just empty the pocket here. This 30. So I want to see my 15-minute in real time. So this is my first 15-minute, you see that? Looking not bad with a nice rejection, so I kind of... But it's fine, we're gonna get the next one. Okay, so we just opened the new 15-minute, right? So what we can do here, maybe I can enter below this low. We'll see. Because I would like to see maybe a small 15-minute candle lower wick if we anticipate this one to going back up. You know. So we took this small low here. Okay, so I like this move. But that's a long array to do still, you know. I'm still gonna wait. I want to see the first 5 minutes, right? I'm gonna enter on the second 5 minute of the 15-minute. So meaning in the middle of this range, basically. And if I miss a trade, it's perfectly fine. I don't care. Because first, it's just paper trading. And secondly, it's 4th of July. So you don't trade real money on this day. And then, yeah. If the move occur, it's fine. If not, it's fine too, you know, don't care. And we have a fair value gap here. Okay, so I'm gonna take that in consideration. That's a very nice one, actually. This is a nice candle here. I like it. So let's go back on the lower time frame. If we get a nice grab, maybe I can put the buy order here, right? It's a buy limit. Okay. So around in the middle of this range, right? Put my stop below this low, because this low is technically protect already, right? And I'll retarget this high here, and it's gonna be maybe so this is 7.5 minutes, so this is, yeah, maybe a 20-minute trade, right? We'll see, because I want to see the transition of this 30-minute as well. And we still have this fair value gap here, which is weird on a 15-second, but what else I can watch right now? I can watch my 1 hour. Okay, so Wicks do the damage. Okay, that makes sense. Below 50% range from here, right? If we take this range, we're technically grab on a discount level, if that makes sense. What else I can check? I can check maybe the daily, right? I'm curious to see the daily, actually. Okay, we are, damn, okay. Okay, we go from far, damn, we grab above all the, okay, that's interesting. What else that I can check right now? I can check maybe the 4 hour, right? Okay, 4 hour is brand new since 9 a.m., so it's perfectly fine. What is the previous 4 hour looks like? Okay, so this was the discount from the 4 hour as well. Not bad, not bad, not bad, not bad. So, but you know, we cannot buy it at this moment because we are in discount and premium, so unfortunate. So my bow was good, I was not having a good feeling, you know. It's fine. But look, this is the... Wait. But I still have my buy order, so if they want to grab something, they're gonna grab below those range here into this small imbalance on a 1 minute. That would make sense. If they do a quick grab, you know, that could be nice. But okay, so this high got taken out because those low got taken out too. So this high target was very nice. Now this is the new target, basically, right? And I don't see any other fair value gap on a 1 minute that I can use. You know, look, this one got filled. They all got filled basically. This was my displacement that I want to see when we grab this low and this low here. You know. And we're gonna flip here. So I can cancel that. I don't care anymore. See you tomorrow. I have to leave. All right. Have a good day, man. And thanks for coming. That was fun. I think that was fun. I hope people like that because I feel this is kind of boring because it's, you know, in reality it doesn't have like green box. That's a 1 hour right now. That's a previous 1 hour. So as you can see on this 1 hour, we take external liquidity here, straight up at the open, deliver to stop loss, straight up. That was straight savage type of thing. Then retrace into discount of previous H1 range, rejecting this premium discount, rejecting this discount, grabbing liquidity below. Deliver to those guys stops here, and then we now targeting those high. It's actually almost there. This is the one. The 4 hours gonna flip bullish in a couple minutes. I feel it. So, you know, it is what it is. I took this buy, but when I see this double. When I see this candle, I was like, okay, no, I don't want to be in this anymore. And we finally go for my first stop loss that I was expecting, right? But I closed before, so I was kind of saving my real hard stop, you know. So if you manage your risk, you always can close your position way before than the full hard stop, you know. If you don't believe in your trade anymore because you see some development, you know, you see something that doesn't like match your analysis or match your idea, you can close. Don't worry about that, you know. You don't have to feel bad if you close a trade, you know, like nothing against that. How to can OHLC indicator? So you mean this one here? This is the PO3 indicator from bro, I'm talking always about indicator. I'm starting to be sick about that. Now what I mean, look, this is this indicator here. Higher time frame, power of 3. Okay, this fair value gap got reject, I feel like. We'll see. Interesting. This one here, mine? Oh, the green box one? You can go on my website. There's I can put the link maybe on the description, whatever. So you guys can see. I just don't want to promote it. I don't care, you know, like, no, my goal. My goal is to show you how to become profitable. That's my goal. And, you know, if you like the product or anything, you know. 1 sec, I'll give you that. So I just need to find a way to type something in the chat. So this website, and I'll put that on a how I can. Okay, so I just pinned the message basically. And if you go on this website, so okay, so I just want to make sure that people understand, right? Because I have 2 indicator right now. I have my FX4 model, right? They're gonna be released tomorrow, and this indicator is just just go on the it's gonna 15 minutes because now it's just scuffed, right? But damn, what the fuck is that? Okay, that was some weird type of stuff that I tried another day, I feel like. But this is the, I can delete everything actually. I don't really care on this trade anymore anyways, because I'm gonna close the stream maybe in 5 minutes. But so this is the fixed for model basically, and you can see the previous daily high, previous daily low. So those are important level of external liquidity in my opinion. What does that mean? That means there's a lot of stop loss below this low. There's a lot of stop loss above. So, you know, if price reach that and displays back inside the range, you can anticipate some sort of trade. You know, that's the goal of this indicator. But as well, you have the 9-hour accumulation range here from the open, the real daily open, to the candle open basically to 2 a.m. So that include the Asian range, that include the London lunchtime, that include all type of range on a bigger, you know, level basically. So you still have like your premium discount from previous day, and then you have your premium discount from this accumulation rate. And what you want to see is an external liquidity taken out here, and then a delivery to maybe an external liquidity from another side on the daily, you know. But also you have your midnight line open that give you like a good opportunity to maybe understand some stuff like, okay, so this low here's got taken out, so deliver to stop loss here, here, you know. Just easy to understand. But if you don't understand anything right now, it's fine, you know. If you're new student of ICT and you're still learning, it's fine, you know, it's perfectly fine. Don't worry about that too much, you know. This music is kind of weird, not gonna lie. No, is it? That was making me like... do you trade the 4 hour of the second half of the accumulation range? No? You can do that. Yeah, you can do that. There's only 6 4-hour candle in a day, so if you divide your day by 6 from the daily open and to the close, you have 6 separation, right? You can already understand more where's the liquidity can be, you know, like the external liquidity on the 4-hour range, you know, like above the 4-hour high, below the 4-hour high. All those are just, you know, solid. This one here is gonna be the fixed for model that gonna release 5 July tomorrow. This is cool because look, the time become red when it's 5 minutes left, just to make you watch the 15 and the 30-minute candle close. So it's not blinking or anything, but it's showing red like that. Just I wanna see example, right? So the 15-minute, how it's gonna close. And then you can see the 30-minute. And if you know that you have 2 candle close at the same time, it's a more important close, you know. So you want to be aware of that. You know that, okay, that's a half an hour. Okay, so if the half of this hour was a grab, a liquidity grab example, this is your PO3 automatically, right? You know? Because look, if you take 1 hour and you divide by 3, you have 20 minutes, 20 minutes, 20 minutes. 3 block of 20 minutes. So if you understand accumulation, manipulation, distribution, you know that the first 20 minutes can be an accumulation range. You know the second 20 minutes can be your manipulation above and all high, a whole lows. And then you know like the last 20 minutes gonna be your expansion or whatever, you know. So that is important to understand the candle, the time aspect of the market. The price is always going up and down, and the time always going from the left side to the right side. You know, there's only one direction. The time will never go back. You know, if you play a replay button, okay, but if you're trading live condition, like if you trade live condition, the price moving that way, you know, from the daily here to this daily close, and then the same one here, restart from there to there, you know. And look, this is a very small day, you see that? And we took the low, a turtle soup, three times here, you see that? We take that under this accumulation range of 9 hours. This is my fixed 4 model, right? We take the low of this accumulation range, and what's next? Price going back up, you see that? Into a discount, a double discount, you see that? Discount from previous day, and premium discount from your accumulation range of 9 hours, you know. So this is an external liquidity, very solid, you know, for you to, in a lower time frame, you go in the lower time frame, you see that? This might be your trade, you know, like you want to buy here maybe on a second candle to make sure that you don't get fucked. Stop loss below this low, because if this is a grab, you don't want to be grabbed second time, you know. So, and you can put your stop loss, your TP maybe above and hold high, and then you see that was a winner trade, basically. It's very simple, right? Don't go crazy to try to how I can say that. Don't try to resolve them. I don't know. It's nothing magic, you know. Like everything is simple, you know. Don't go crazy, you know. I just like to use the previous daily range as my main huge range of discount and premium level, right? Then after, for 9 hours, you have an accumulation. I don't want to trade in this zone because I know that the time is not the perfect time for trading. So I want to let people fighting together, like accumulating position, you know. Then after, when the range closes at 2 a.m., I want to identify where's the 50% of that range, which is automatically showed up, right, with a 50% range line. So you don't really need that. You can show that like to somebody so you can understand better, but and then, you know. So usually, right, the trade that I take is always on the 2 a.m. or 3 a.m. to 4 a.m. So you see, I mean, you can trade in the London kill zone basically. This is your London kill zone from 2 a.m. to 5 a.m. You see that? So technically, usually, I just say that, but usually they like to grab before and then move up like that. Now the grab was not done, or was done if you only take the Asian range. This is only the Asian range. So after midnight, this was a huge grab. You see that? And then price go up and retarget those high here. You know, those high here. Okay. So Sergio, that's a very nice question, and I want to reply that. You want to see a displacement. What is a displacement? You want to see a huge candle that confirms you that the price is manipulated by someone, all right? By someone that has power, right? So you can go in the 1 minute, you can go from the 1 minute to the 5 minute to see the displacement. Then if you find a displacement, you're supposed to have a fair value gap into this displacement between 3 candles, right? I'll show you that, what I mean by that. First candle, displacement up, right? Just put that here maybe. Third candle, right? And then those candles here have wicks, right? Obviously, right? They have wicks. So this is your fair value gap, basically. But this is very important to consider this fair value gap a good fair value gap. You want to see a low taken out here, right? You know what I mean? You want to see a low taken out here, maybe, right? So example, this was like, this was maybe previous candle, the push, you see the push. So they push under the low here, right? Displacement up, create a fair value gap, and you want to see the price coming back inside this fair value gap, respecting this gap, and if it start moving up again, you know, you can put a buy stop in there, you know, if you want. And if there's a grab under a low, technically you don't want to see another grab under this low, right? So this is technically a protected low, you know. But, you know, everything can happen, right? Everything can happen. Everything can happen. That's why you need to have a nice risk management always, right? Because if price decide to go back inside to grab this low again and going back up, but that's why I like to use external range liquidity, right? You know, you want to identify a range in your head, or not in your head, but in your chart, that give you a clear external range liquidity, right? That means above this range and below this range. What could be a nice range for you? Maybe the last 1 hour, like I do, or maybe the last 4 hours, or maybe FX4 model, the last 9 hours, or maybe the Asian range. That could be whatever you want. As long as you buy in a discount and you sell in a premium, you're gonna make money, man. And you're not greedy. If you're not greedy, because if you get that nice push here, right, but you don't get out because you wanna get like, you wanna get that high here, and you get stopped out after, you know, you're just throwing, you know, you wanna. People are so scared from risk reward. They are like, oh, my risk reward. Risk reward doesn't care, bro. If you take profit at the end of the day, yes, you're ready to risk XX, but if you take profit and you close in profit, well done. You're a profitable trader. You know, that's it. That's all you need. You know, that's all you need. So I personally always go for 1-to-1 risk reward, just to get a basic stuff. You know, I have like profitable way to trade, you know, but I have experience too. You know, I trade for 6-7 years already, you know, so I've seen everything, bro. I've tried all the strategy of this fucking planet, bro. Trust me, I try everything. And the only thing that works and makes sense for me is the ICT algorithm. That's the only thing that works for me, bro. But you just become better because you practice always the same thing, you know. I'm a reversal trader, personally. So I like to trade when liquidities got taken out on the external range. And when price coming back inside with a displacement to show me, damn, okay. I have 2 founded accounts, but I have my main account as well that I use mainly. Yo, very useful to see you explaining this slide. Yeah, then I'm glad that you guys appreciate that, because I think it's nice, you know. I think it's good information. I know, like, and it's all based on what I know, you know, from ICT and all that stuff. Because you know, hit the like button. Yeah, please. That could be nice. I appreciate that. But, you know, my goal, you know, my main goal is not doing those streams to become like super famous and blah, 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 you know. I don't fucking care. My goal is to help people to generate money by trading, stop giving their money to fucking like broken, all that shit, you know. And if you make money, bro, and you imagine, all right, imagine how much karma that I can get if you make money because of me, and you, example, I don't know, you're living in a poor country or a country like, and you offer like food for everybody there. Imagine how much I can feel, bro. Imagine how much I can feel. That's what I'm chasing right now. When you have money in life, all right, when you reach certain like level, you know, of of wealth or whatever you can call, you don't fucking care about famous and money and all that shit. You want to search the real stuff. You know what I mean? So that's what I'm looking for. I want to help people to improve somehow, you know, and then because I've done that a couple times. Like I've helped some people in some country that people are not very like rich and all that stuff, and the guy has some good value, like, you know, like, and he's providing food for the whole like city, or, you know, like just going on somewhere and put a lot of food for everybody. And like this is so crazy. The feeling that you can get from that is priceless, guys. Priceless, guys. You know? So if you learn something from me and you can generate money from that, don't go spend that on a fucking Lambo, bro, you know? Go spend it to help other people, you know? Because I understand what's ICT meaning by that. Like you said, like we're going on a very hard part of the life, on the, you know, and I believe that is kind of true. Because people doesn't care about value anymore, right? You know, I have nothing against girls that do like OnlyFans and all that stuff, but you know, like most of girl like way long time ago like was respecting them. You know, they don't want to do that because that make no sense. You know, they have value, but now people doesn't care anymore. You know, they don't fucking care anymore. So this gonna slowly put the earth on a weird situation, you know. But the worst is the internet, bro. Like, you know, that's the craziest thing. The internet is a messenger, right? It's a global messenger, right? It's a way to communicate between a lot of people all around the world, you know. So I'll give you a good example, right? If the cows explode in Africa, example, I just say that, you know, maybe not, you know. But if the whole Africa's revolutionate against the guy that, you know, like against the government or whatever, and they go crazy, with internet you can film that and do a live and shake the people, you know what I mean? So that can like create a big conflict, you know. I know like internet is beautiful, you can do a lot of stuff, you can help people, but there's a lot of bad ways too that might be a problem eventually, you know, because internet is so quick now, dude. Like it's almost direct, you know. You can do a live whatever you are in the country you are, and somebody else from another country can see your live, you know. That's crazy when you think about that. Look, I'm the best example right now. I'm in my office right now, streaming my screen of trading to 49 people. You think about that? This is crazy. No? Is it? But yeah, I just want to help people to generate money, you know, from this vehicle, basically. And if you can do it, bro, I'm proud and I'm happy for you. This is one of the most nice thing you can do. Like, imagine tomorrow you're able to make enough money to bring food to your family, or just, you know, like buy a car, bro, like for your mother, or whatever the dream you have or idea you have in your head, you know. This is possible, guys. There's trillion and trillion and trillion dollar in this market. So if you understand one model or one technical to generate the same thing over and over every single day. This is crazy, you know. I'm listening to you from Spain. That's crazy. You see that? And that made me feel weird, bro, when I heard that. I'm tuning in from South Africa. Damn, that's crazy. You see that? That is crazy. So, you know, it's nice. It's very nice. But, you know, it's a process. I think trading is a process that take couple months, years to understand. Because, you know, that's a language, right? Are you rich? In my mind, I'm rich, yeah. But doesn't matter, bro. If somebody's rich and have good value, right? Doesn't care about that, you know? I'm a human being like everybody, you know? So everybody can... That's the thing, right? Money... Okay, so listen that. Money is an amplifier. What does that mean? If you are dumb in life, if you're a dumb human, like you're stupid, with money, you're gonna be a huge stupid guy, you know? You're just gonna be more stupid, you know? This is an amplifier. Yes. Miss, yes. No, I don't trade. I don't trade. I've said like maybe 100 times this stream that I don't trade. I don't trade. I was just backtesting some old days with the stream. We practiced couple silver bullet 3M. We talk about my indicator that I'm working on. We talk about FX4 model. We talk a little bit of life. We talk about ICT a little bit. We, you know, just chilling, bro. That's a day for chilling right now. So, but no, I press like maybe 1 or 2 times the paper trade thing on the trading view, but that was not it, you know. Do you trade on the news? No, I stay away from the news. No, news is not the best. Because, you know, when there's news, there's more gambler, you know, coming in the market, basically. So, too many people pressing buttons. It's just like, it's just a jungle, you know. You don't want to be in a jungle. You want to be in a clear environment, you know, I can say maybe. Watch gold, guys. All low short. Oh, let me go and check that. I don't trade gold right now, to be honest. Oh, I can remove the FX4. Okay, so let's try to put this one. Oh, yeah, I see. Damn, this is crazy. You see that shit? You see that? This is your last 1 hour range, right? From 8 to 9, right? What's going on? What's happened? It's going down 1 minute, right? Can you see it? Grab below the low, displacement. Boom. Price going back up to 50%, right? I will say, honestly, bro, I will say maybe trade silver bullet. Because it's a time-based... It's a time-based trade, right? Silver bullet is very simple, guys. And if you watch back the stream, at the beginning of the stream, I was backtesting some different silver bullet. I did it live, like with the replay button, of course, but that was very clean. That was very clean. That was some nice trade. So if you go see that, you can understand better. But silver bullet is a model, right? It's not a strategy. It's a model. There's a big difference between a strategy, a model, and a concept, right? Look. Okay, concept. Okay, so concept, right? Strategy, and then what else I said? Model, right? So I will say maybe strategy and model is pretty much the same thing, but model is just a pattern, you know, like a type of stuff that you want to do in a certain time, you know. A concept is something that you need to understand. It's a tool in your toolbox, right? Example, premium discount. This can be applied on everything, right? What else? Just like that. It's kind of quick, but you know, like the two, maybe a fair value gap, maybe. A fair value gap is a concept, right? It's a tool for maybe a model. So strategy, you can remove that from your head. So in ICT, you have concept and you have model, right? You need to learn the concept first. Then you can decide what kind of model you want. You can create your own model too. That's what I do, basically. And my model, I have a couple model, my simple model that I use, right? I want to decide a range of price between two different time, right? So what it can be, right? That's my last explanation. After I need to go, right? I need to go to the gym. But, you know, this is example 3, let's say 2 a.m., all right? 2 a.m. 2 a.m. to 3 a.m. So this is the range that I want to work on. You know, that's the range that I want to work on. So what does that mean? All right, perfect. I can identify my discount and premium level from this range because I want to work on this range. So I want to decide where's my premium of this range and where's this discount of this range, right? This is already simple, right? Pretty simple. After that, okay, after that, okay, so this range from, oh, I need to put 3 here, right? My bad. So from 2 to 3, that was a price range of 20 pips, right? 20 pips. Range of 20 pips, right? That was a range of 20 pips. Cool, that's cool, that's simple, right? Look, you have time, right? Time, price range, price and time and price. This is what ICT said all the time. Price, time and price, always, all right? Always. Okay, so what direction the price can move? Up and down, right? So let's put an arrow up and down, right? This is simple, guys. If you don't understand, watch it again, right? Price always move from left to right. Is it true, right? Is it true? Is it true, right? It's true, right? I hope people agree on that, because if they don't agree on that, I don't know where they live, but I want to be there, right? Because I would like to go back in the past. I wish. For some decision, you know, sometime. So Price moving always forward, right? On the chart, it's always from the left to the right. When you read, I mean, no, that's not a good example, because if you read Arabic, you can read from the right to the left. So I'm not wrong, right? I'm not Arabic, but I know that. All right, so you have a range of 20 pip here. What is this range? This is a 1 hour range. 1 hour range. Cool. What happened in this 1 hour range? Okay. Price open here. Oh, I have this weird arrows now. What the fuck? Okay. Okay. Perfect. So candle open here and close here. All right. So if you take this open to this close, we can say the order flow, the recent 1 hour order flow was bearish, right? What does that mean? I mean, in this structure of 1 hour, you have a lot of stop loss here, 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 all that stuff, right? All that stuff. If, okay, so if the price grab this high here, this is a hold stop loss. Where the price gonna go? Price gonna deliver downside, right? Example. If we take this external liquidity here, okay, so this is something that I need to explain very quick as well. This is an external liquidity range. External liquidity range. What does that mean? What does that mean? That means this is your range. This is your external liquidity range, right? Right? Those little line inside are all internal liquidity range, right? So that means they are less important than those above and below the range you're working on. You know what I mean? If price grab liquidity below this 1 hour range, this place back inside the range with a fair value gap here, right? This is all the ICT concept, guys. Premium discount, external liquidity range, time and price, external liquidity taken out, displacement. This is a 2022 model entry, right? Price coming back inside this fair value gap. Take a long, very small short stop loss below this low that being taken out already, right? Retarget 50% of the range, discount and premium, you know. Or you can go for the whole range and close when you reach those previous high. Because look, that's simple. If we activate buyer here, seller, I mean, if we activate seller here, where their stop loss gonna be? You think about that? Where their stop loss gonna be? Let's say that we go short here, right? My stop loss gonna be above this all high, this all high, this all high. This all high? No, never, bro. Like, nobody is gonna trade a small trade like that with a stop loss large like that, you know? So, above a whole high, you know? So, if price activate the seller, this plays back inside the range, create a fair value gap, come inside this fair value gap, retarget this all high, right? That was our first target, because we are technically long, right? Those guys getting out, stopped out, I mean. All right, this target is achieved, perfect. I'm closing a block of 5% of my position. So that means if I have one lot, example, on gold or whatever, like on Euro USD, I'm closing 0.5 on my position. You know, just take some profit. And I reduce my stop loss a little bit as well, you know. because I removed some partials. So I want to reduce my risk as well. You know, that's two things. So, you know, I target the next stop price, reach that, you know. Then, you know, like price pull back a little bit. Then, you know, like price continue going up. And I'm still taking profit along the road. And then, this is 1 hour too, right? This is 1 hour. So this is your new 1 hour basically, right? When we go against the flow of the recent order flow, right? So this is fucking simple. I don't know how to explain that better, but is it simple? This is a silver bullet actually. Because look, this is a silver bullet. Because look, this is 3 a.m. to 4 a.m. So this is your silver bullet, right? But if you don't trade silver bullet, you can do that on every range if you want. Something that I want to is the 4-hour range. This is your 4-hour range. Perfect. If liquidity being taken out under the previous 4-hour range on the new candle open, but you already can target all those high, but you need to be conservative, right? You need to take some partial because it's a longer range. What does that mean? That means the price can decide to go down as well if it reach 50% here, you know, of this range, because that's a, oh, I just fucked up. But this is still your premium discount. So what does that mean? If the price reach a premium price and the algo see that and decide to go back down and retarget those low after I've been taking out 50% of those seller here and just don't care about those one here, price can go back down, you know. So you gotta be careful on the 50% of the range always. But if you take all this profit here, you're pretty much fine, you know. And you can let a little runner, if it goes, it goes, you know. Because the recent order flow is bearish as well, you know. You need to take that in consideration. So what you can do as well, there's different type of, but it's always in time, you know. You can wait the price reach the 50% here and try a short instead. But a high need to be taken out here above the premium and discount range. I don't know if you understand that, but if you want to go short here, you need to take an out and high here and get a displacement back here and take your entry here on the fair value gap, you know. There's a lot of there. If you understand all those concepts, you can go crazy and build your own model like you really like to trade, you know. I like to trade reversal. So for me, if the previous 1 hour range is bearish order flow, I want to go against those people, you know, to take those high out. So if we take the low here, activate seller, I want to go back and pull those trigger and pull those seller against those seller here, going the other side of the direction, you know. And all of those are PD arrays as well, you know, all those high, those lows, all that stuff. All those I here are discount, you know, premium. But, you know, if you want to understand the concept, you need to listen ICT YouTube. I cannot explain better than this guy. It's impossible. It's impossible. It's impossible. So you gotta listen to 2022 mentorship. It's a... Wait. I used to know that, but it's a... What's it? Okay, so it's a 24-hour playlist. I don't want you to go over 24 hours and listen all of that, right? Because your brain cannot record all that information in 24 hours. That's impossible. There's nobody on earth that can memory all those episodes, you know. You want to listen to one. Okay, so if you really new in ICT, right, this is an advice that I can give you, right? I cannot give an advice on trading, but I can give you an advice on learning ICT, right? Listen one episode, right? And maybe wait 1 or 2 days, you know, and practice. Just understand what he's saying and try to apply that on your chart, right? And then listen another episode. If you listen all the episode on the first day, bro, or 24 hour or 2 days, for sure you will never understand, you know. I've listened the ICT Mentorship 2022 at least 15 times, maybe 20, right? That's a lot of hours. This is the ICT Mentorship 2022, the whole playlist. That's a 24-hour playlist. I know that's a lot of stuff, all right? I know that's a lot of stuff, but that's a language, guys. That's a language, right? That's a language. And the craziest thing, right? The craziest thing in all that, personally, right? This is a story that not a lot of people know, but okay, so I'm French Canadian, right? So I was not understanding English too. So I need to learn English first for 2 years in my process to after learn all the ICT concepts. You know what I mean? That was a huge story. That's a huge journey, right? Because you have double stuff to learn. And now I can talk to you guys in English and no problem. You know, I have that. I got that. That's why I have a weird accent sometimes, you know, but it's fine. I think people understand what I say, you know. So imagine you need to learn a language, a real worldwide language first. Then you need to learn the algorithm of ICT, the language of ICT, how to trade. Because look, if you already trade a retail method, you put that in the garbage or just put that on the side, right? And go listen those videos one by one. And this is game changer, guys. Game changer. No joke, no joke. Like, that guy has to be an angel somewhere, bro. No joke, no joke. I truly believe this guy is the core, the main core of a big change in this world, bro. No joke. So, I don't know if one day he's gonna listen to this video and heard that. I don't think so, but, you know, I'm very, like, blessed to know the skills that he's teaching us, to be honest with you guys. And I'm a little fan too, but I'm not a fan like if that was like a star or whatever, you know, like I'm just impressed by how this guy put the work to give us something like that, you know. The guy literally like risk a lot of his life for getting something like that. Because that's a lot of work, guys. That's a lot of work. Understanding all of that, exactly that precise, this is unbelievable. This is unbelievable. And I'm glad that I can learn that in 24 hours if I want. You know. The playlist is out there, bro, for free, for absolutely free. The guy doesn't care, you know. You go on his YouTube channel, select the playlist, cut all the distraction around you, put your cell phone in a fucking like shelter. You don't touch anything. Have a paper with a pen and you take notes. That's it. Quick question: what tell you the trend direction for a particular day and what setup to take? So I'm a scalper, right? So I don't really care about the daily direction, to be honest. But I check the real daily candle forming, right? Based off the previous candle. So example, this is the previous daily candle, right? You see, this is your previous daily candle. So you can see the daily candle open here, expand the upside, and we are now here pretty close from the high. Pretty close from the high. Look, that's all that range here. You see that? It's like a surgeon, right? You can like dissect all of that and understand all that stuff, you know. Look here, just a quick example, you know, but your eye's gonna see that eventually, right? But look, this low here got taken out. What does that mean? All the people that want to go short below this low, targeting this low here, got stopped out. Their stop loss was maybe above this external range high, maybe above this high here, maybe above this little equal high here, you know, and they just target that for free, you know. So it's just a quick example, you know, right? That was, but you know, your eye's gonna see all of that eventually. Like, it's 100% sure, you know. Because it's a language. If you understand the language, you can talk with somebody, right? So the shorts is the exact same thing. If you understand the language of how the trading is supposed to be done, you know, you already can trade. Look, we take the external liquidity here of this specific range, right? Now price gonna looks like you wanna displace inside the range. I can go on a 30-second chart. You really see what's going on. But looks like we're gonna go down against target those lows because we just activate those buyer here, right? But if we activate those buyer here, I mean those buyer here, where their stop gonna be? Below this low, right? Of course. Where do you think the price gonna go now? If we activate those buyer here above this external range high here, you know? Is it simple? It's kind of simple, no, is it? And we just take those low here as well, you know? So there's a lot of buyer that got triggered here and there. And they're probably happy now. They're like, oh my god, look. When they got triggered here, above this high, it was like, oh no, damn, that's a short, I would say. So this is the long position above this triple high here, right? You're probably like, oh my god, I'm in buy, so right now that's crazy. But all their stop is below this low right now, right? Right? So yeah, I'm looking for those low. Like this size got taken out here on this range. I'm paper trading, by the way. I don't trade anything right now. I'm just watching, observing, whatever. This was your fair value gap that got filled right now. It's a small displacement, right? Very small displacement. But this is technically and if it got invalidated, that's not a good setup. Hey yo Kevin, bro, what's up? This is Noxal, by the way, guys, the moderator on the Discord. Hope you're doing good, bro. I'm about to go up right now. I'm on for 3 hours already. That's crazy. I was just backtesting some stuff with the guys and you know, chilling. Just chilling. That's a chilling day, right? Let's go on a 15-second chart. So yeah, this is a displacement. You see that candle here? That's a displacement. But the lower time frame you go, the higher chance to lose a trade is too, you know. You need to have clear direction, clear stuff. Because look, there's no fair value gap on the 1 minute right now, so you gotta be careful with that. Yeah, exactly. US close. There's nothing to trade here. But I just want to show like the principle a little bit. We backtest a couple silver bullet setup. That was great. That was great. I think people learn something. I hope so, because like I'm about to close the stream in maybe 5 minutes, but I need to go to gym. But if you guys have any question, anything, like I can help probably, right? Make sure to join the Discord. It's entirely free. Like There's so much resource in there, like in PDF, all that stuff. I try to put all my experience on the paper, you know. Yeah, exactly. That's what I'm looking at. I'm out, GG. All right, cool, man. See you later. We're gonna work on that this year, bro. I want to make you quit your job. I'm pretty sure you can. You're now founded and everything, right? It's gonna come. I feel like maybe this year, next year. So don't worry about that. We're gonna work on that, right? It's very possible, man. Like, there's no option. So, and I mean, like, if you're in the same situation, you have a job, you want to quit, you try to trade, all that, it's gonna come, bro. It's gonna come. You need to believe in that, and stop self-sabotage yourself. You know, I don't want you to say like, oh my god, I'm a worst trader. I just lose $300, blah blah blah. I just blew my funding account. I'm the worst trader. If you say always that and you always self-sabotage yourself, you're never gonna make it. You gotta believe in yourself, and you gotta cut all the distractions. So if somebody told you that you're a bad person or anything, like, you gotta cut these people off your life, bro. Like, all right, cheers, man. So, all right, looks like we have no questions. So I'm gonna Sebastian with could you have a short looks on USD CAD? I can check if you want, but I don't trade really USD CAD. Yeah, you see that's pretty much that right now. And then we have a major daily order flow bearish. You see that? That's the thing, bro. That's the thing. You see that? You have 1 hour range here of bullish order flow into a daily bearish order flow. You see that? Can you imagine if the price can reach above this high here, spike and just come back? You know, that could be an awesome trade. There's so many possibilities when you understand the concept. No joke. So many. But USD CAD is the worst today because both pair are closed, you know, technically. Anyways. Oh, I think we're gonna get the setup on Euro USD. Maybe I can paper trade that. But I don't want to wait another 30 minutes, to be honest. But if you are in front of your chart right now, if you listen right now and you are in front of your chart, this is your job, right? I want you to put a box on the 9 a.m. candle, right? To 10 a.m., right? And I want you to see what the price can do. If you see a big displacement down, try to identify the fair value gap, you know? But there's no volume today, so it might be shit, but let's try. Let's see if you can like get maybe a short limb there, you know, like maybe to get 50% or something, like just a small short, you know. Try to do that. Alright, so guys, I'm out. 3 hours, 15 minutes. That was not bad. So see you guys later.
Searching for the lost and found, but you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air like a blazing flare.